To go to church every Sunday, it doesn't mean you are a Christian. A Christian is your heart, the way you are living with people, the way you are talking to your neighbors. That shows that you are a Christian. Other people are judging why you are not going to church. What? God knows your heart, because you can go to church every Sunday, but you can't go to the heaven. It doesn't mean that to go to church every Sunday you are going to heaven. God knows the heart of a person. Most of the church people, they like to judge a person who have got a sin. Why you don't ask yourself when that person have got a sin? People who are started to judge that person are Christian, those people who are in same church with him. So sometimes don't judge those people, because other people, it's not about they don't want to come to church. They love to pray, they love to praising God, to worship God. But the way you are judging people when they are worshiping God or they are singing, you are judging a person, their voice is not okay, what. Guys, in churches there is a lot of competition about wearing clothes. Other people, they love to being in church, but fashion, how you are wearing, and you are not compared with other people. You can ask your husband, my husband, tomorrow you are going to church, he can tell you that I don't have nice clothes, I don't have a suit, because the way you are judging people in church. Don't, when a person is wearing their clothes, don't judge other people. You understand? Why a person have got a sin and doesn't come back in the same church? Because those people, they have got fear because of the judgment. Don't judge a person who have got a sin in the same church. Yes, people, Christians, guys, are human beings. You can't judge a pastor that why that pastor is doing those things, what. Guys, a pastor is a human being. They can be attempted. You understand? So don't judge people. They will end up leaving the church for good or not going to church. Understand? But in their hearts, they still love God. So don't judge people that people, you are wasting your time. You are praying, you are crying, you are praying, you are crying, but you are doing sin things. What you are preaching. You have to be careful when you are preaching your word of God. Understand? Other people, they are preaching because they know other people's life. That's why they are preaching. So sometimes we have to be careful. You are judging those people. Who knows that you are going to heaven? God knows the person who are going to the heaven, the person who is going to hell. So don't judge people.